Welcome to Session 13, Fractions, Decimals, and Percents. These are not different quantities. They are different representations of rational values. You will convert by division and powers of 10, use benchmark equivalents, interpret percent as a rate per hundred, and compare mixed forms on one common scale. A fraction becomes a decimal through division. 3 divided by 8 is 0.375. A decimal becomes a percent by multiplying by 100, giving 37.5%. The percent symbol means per hundred. All three forms locate the same value between 0 and 1. Convert 7/20ths. Multiply numerator and denominator by 5 to obtain 35 hundredths. That is 0.35 and 35%. Each form is below 1/2, which confirms the size. Division, 7 divided by 20, would produce the same decimal. Convert 12.5% to a fraction. Divide by 100 to obtain 0.125. Write that decimal as 125 over 1,000. Divide numerator and denominator by 125. The simplified result is 1/8. Order 0.42, 2/5, and 41%. 2/5 equals 0.40. 41% equals 0.41. The values in increasing order are 0.40, 0.41, and 0.42. Therefore, 2/5 is least and 0.42 is greatest. Percentages are not limited to whole numbers from 1 to 100. 0.5% equals 0.005, which is below 1%. 100% equals 1 whole. 125% equals 1.25, or more than 1 whole. Use division by 100 and then check against 1. Checkpoint. Write 0.625 as a percent. Multiply by 100, producing 62.5%. The value is greater than 1/2, but less than 1 whole, so a percentage between 50 and 100 is reasonable. Choice C is correct. Convert fractions through division, decimals to percents by multiplying by 100, and percents to decimals by dividing by 100. Simplify fractional results and use 0, 1/2, 1, and 100% as benchmarks. Continue learning and practicing at bridge2exam.com.